Can convicted politicians stay in power? The landmark case that changed Indian politics. Imagine this. A powerful politician is convicted of corruption, sentenced to 5 years in jail, and yet they continue sitting in parliament making laws for the country. Seems unfair, right? Well, until 2013, this was completely legal in India. But then came a woman who changed the game, Lily Thomas. Her case shook Indian politics and forced corrupt leaders out of office. Today, we're diving deep into the case that banned convicted MPs and MLAs from staying in power. Before 2013, Indian politicians had a VIP pass to escape justice. A special section in the Representation of the People Act, Section 8(4), allowed convicted MPs and MLAs to continue in power if they filed an appeal within 3 months. This meant that even if a politician was found guilty of bribery, fraud, or even serious crimes, they could stay in power just by dragging the case through courts for years. This legal loophole allowed corruption to thrive, but one Supreme Court case was about to change everything. Meet Lily Thomas, a fearless advocate who refused to accept this injustice. She, along with the NGO Lok Prahari, filed a petition in the Supreme Court. Their argument? If ordinary citizens lose government jobs after conviction, why should politicians be treated differently? The Supreme Court agreed and delivered a historic verdict on July 10, 2013. The ruling? No more VIP treatment for convicted politicians. If an MP or MLA is convicted of a crime with a sentence of 2 years or more, they are immediately disqualified. And just like that, some of the biggest names in Indian politics lost their power overnight. The first to go? Rasheed Masood, a Congress MP convicted of corruption. He became the first politician to be disqualified under this new rule. Soon after, Lalu Prasad, the former Bihar CM, was disqualified and sent to jail in the fodder scam case. For the first time, convicted leaders were truly being held accountable. Now, you'd think politicians would accept this, right? Wrong. Just 2 months after the judgment, the government tried to reverse it. The UPA government introduced an ordinance to bring back Section 8(4) and protect convicted leaders. But then something unexpected happened. In a shocking move, Rahul Gandhi publicly called the ordinance nonsense and tore it apart in a press conference. The government had no choice but to withdraw it. This case set a powerful precedent. Today, thanks to Lily Thomas, no convicted politician can stay in office. But here's a question for you. Is this enough? Even now, 43% of MPs in India have criminal cases against them. Should we go one step further and ban candidates with criminal charges from contesting elections altogether? What do you think? Should India have stricter laws for politicians? Tell us in the comments. And if you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into India's biggest legal cases.